In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 9A, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we begin, we will need a SIM ejector like this one. Now this comes provided with the device in the box, so you can find it from there, or you can simply use a paper clip and straighten out one of the ends. So once you have either of those, you can simply pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, as you can see where the pin is holding right now. Push it in and the tray should pop out. And as you can see, on it you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card, so place them accordingly. And try to not drop it like I just did. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, they need to be flush on the tray, and once you are ready to insert it, make sure you hold them in place. There's, well, nothing really holding them in place apart from the finger. So from there, put it back in and you should see a pin for the SIM card. So let's insert that. And there we go. So the SIM card is working and the SD card should work as well. So let's find that one. And there we go. There is the SD card. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.